Nilkamal introduces Quick Covid Bed, an emergency hospital bed solution. Quick Covid Bed is quick to assemble in 3 minutes. The interlocking design is extremely lightweight and strong. Made with high-strength plastic BubbleGUARD sheets, the Nilkamal Quick Covid Bed is 100% made in India and can carry a load of 300 kgs. Plastic polypropylene is resistant to chemicals and can be easily cleaned and sanitized by any disinfectant and is completely waterproof, which is not possible with cardboard. The bed is ergonomically designed to be lightweight, secure and comfortable. The patented technology and high-performance design makes Quick Covid Bed the most cost-effective solution that is hassle-free and long-lasting. The bed can be flat-packed, making it easy to transport and store. For more information on Quick Covid Bed, contact Nilkamal or visit www.nilkamal.com.